Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw funds from Zlink, and it's working in 2025 as well. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Zlink app on your mobile. Once you're in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select the settings icon also in the top right corner. Here, you'll see your total balance and your withdrawal balance. Just a quick tip, your playable balance becomes withdrawable once you have played and own games. Now click on transactions and you'll see your all transaction history. Look for the cash out button in the click on it. It will then ask how much you want to withdraw. For example, let's set the amount USD 5, then hit next. Next up, you'll need to enter your details to complete with withdrawal process. And that's it. You have now successfully withdrawn funds from Zlink. Simple, right? That's all for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.